big ass chopper called that bitch Beyonce.
Also, I can get
One of my dogs out going all day. Money, power, respect. Read the hard way. I put some real niggas on their feet, boy. So they'll kill anyone for me, boy. Yeah. YMCMB, boy. Young Coochie, fresh to death. Rest in peace for my gut, man. Shit. Where's your face? Oh, shit. Hello? Hi, Mom. Why? I'm at home. I'm at home. Oh! No, I'm at Nick's house, but I know who that is, so let me call them. No, it's Chance and Taylor. Yeah, let me call them. He's his dad's house. You know his dad's house. It's on Leroy Street. Maybe. Well, I'm gonna call Chance and okay, see you, Mom. Okay, sir. Okay, my mom. Bye. Yeah, don't talk to me.
Fucking weirdo.